Today is one of those days where it's very hard to bounce back from. I'm going to, but it's going to be hard. Now, this video is coming out on Friday. But essentially, on Wednesday, I missed a trade. I missed a winner, a clean textbook trade, a winning trade. And I was on the chart. It wasn't like I was not paying attention or anything. I was on the chart, and I was literally so concentrated on looking at this is what I want to see. What I didn't realize is that I didn't drop down to my time frame, the entry time frame. Now, usually, if you've seen the channel, if you've seen the videos around here, I enter on the 1 minute time frame or the 5 minute. I was on the 3 minute time frame, and I just didn't. There was no trade opportunity on the 3 minute, but there was a trading opportunity on the 1 minute, and there was a clean trade. If you look on Wednesday, Euro USD, and if you see the power of three strategy, which I've gone through many times on this channel, you will see that there was a clean textbook trade, short. Asian high was taken. There was a clean short trade, and I missed that. And it ran to a nice 4 risk to reward as well. So for my funding, I have two kind of approaches. One is 2% risk and a 2 risk to reward, and the other is a 2% risk with a 4 risk to reward. So that's like 8%. So I would have been in profit on my 50k account and also on my 15k account. So these are the things where it's just hard, trading journey. I just want to get on here and just tell you about the feeling and how to bounce back from it and what I'm going to plan to do. So obviously it's not a nice feeling because now the whole day is just going on. You missed that winner, and you could get in a losing streak now, knowing that you've missed a winner. So you're not really playing out the probabilities. And this is why I'm, Mark Douglas. I've got this book right here, Trading in the Zone, and he literally just says execute 20 trades flawlessly. Now, when I read that, I was like, okay, that's easy. Just execute 20 trades. But now when you're actually executing every single day, you see it's not even easy. It's simple to understand, but it's not easy because I've not executed this properly. Because if I look at my back testing, I would have taken it, but now in live trading, I haven't taken it. So there's obviously that difference between back testing and live trading as well. But in terms of how I'm actually going to get over it, it just comes down to the fact that the past doesn't matter anymore, or the past is the past, something like that. So it's already happened, and now I need to come in tomorrow and the rest of the month, the rest of the year, with just a mindset of I'm going to show up today. The past doesn't affect today. Every trade is unique, even if it's the same setup, same pattern, same power of three. Every setup is unique, and just come into it with a mind of I need to execute my plan. I have a very mechanical trading strategy, so just execute that plan, execute that pattern, which is literally so simple, and that's it. And let the probabilities play out. Let the market do what it needs to do, because I can't control the market even if I want to. It's either literally just going to hit stop loss or it's going to hit take profit. There's two outcomes only. So it can go in 1 second, it can go to stop loss, it can go take profit in 1 second, or it can chop around, then go stop loss or take profit. So there are different scenarios of how it could happen. At the end of the day, it's like one of those outcomes is going to happen. So moving on, just show up, accept that the past is the past, and today is the present. And today I just have to execute my plan, just today. I just have to focus on today. And it applies in everything in life, to be fair. But today in trading, just need to focus on the plan, and that is it. Don't worry about the future. Don't worry about the past, which is something I just keep doing and I can't help it, but I need to work on it, and I am working on it. So focus on that, and I think that is the way I'm going to get out of this feeling of missing a winning trade. Just stick to the plan from now on. It's a lesson learned. It was there in my trading journey for a reason. It was a vital lesson to be extremely alert. This is a business. It's not just a hobby. So I need to treat it with more of a business mindset. And that's what today's lesson was. So hope you got value out of it. Hope you can resonate with this. Maybe you've actually had some missed winning trades as well, or missed losing trades in general. And I just want to show you that, everyone goes through it, and it's the reality. You're going to miss some trades sometimes for sometimes reasons or situations that you can't control. Like maybe I'm on a plane, but there are also times where you can control it and you still miss it. So just shows that forget the strategy. Simple strategy. As long as it's back tested 1 year, just stick to that. But executing, showing up every day and executing it to perfection mechanically is what makes a difference. And that's just something which, taking forward, it needs to be done. So that's all for today's video. Hope you got the value, and I will see you in today's Friday. So I will see you in Monday's video. Happy trading. Stay safe.